Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Autoaccessories, and what we got another new product that you might have seen, but you don't realize it is new. And before I get started, that is our telephone number. If you have good questions, we have even better answers. So we have John, the general manager, behind the camera today, and let's see what have we done today. Well, we have a GMC Denali with the multi-function tailgates, and what we have here is called the Bak Revolver X4s. And what is different about this? Because you're going to say, Chris, I've seen a ton of videos with the Revolver X4s on here. So what is different on this one? Well, it's the bed. This is the Carbon Pro bed from GMC. And as you know, if you own the Carbon Pro bed, you discover very quickly there's a lot of vehicles, a lot of covers that don't work with this vehicle. So, and as you can see, this one does. So first thing, before I get started, I want you to notice it is low profile. It is a metal cover here. It's got a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now, if we install it, we double it to 10. 400-pound weight capacity, low profile, super clean. It's a two-piece, it's metal with a marine grade vinyl on top, so it helps keep the heat from going through. So you do have a left and a right release mechanism here. Also, if you look here, you got this big fat seal that helps keep Mother Nature out. Now, as I roll this, I want to show you a few things. First thing first, if you notice, you got your metal here, but then you got the rubber on the metal. That is to protect your hand from the heat. So if you left this open, it won't get so hot when you put your hand on it, you'll get burned. Now, what makes this cover unique over a lot of other covers, it's got it's a Velcro here holding it down. It's got a, let me roll this down. It's got a completely lockable thing here that does the entire rail here. So that's really nice. So let's go ahead and roll it over here. As you can see, it's not much work to open it up. Now, as you get up to the front here, first thing you'll notice, it does not cover the third brake light or the cameras in the third brake light, and you can still see out with your mirror. So everything is basically still functional when it's completely open. Also, if you notice, you got full access to the bed. So if you're putting that Harley Davidson, getting ready to go to bike week, you need all the room, you got it here. Now, if you look here, there's a strap, and this strap is going to come right around here and lock this in place, so when you're driving down the road, you don't have to worry about it unrolling on you. Now, as you can see, inside the bed is a Carbon Pro. Now, I'm always going to tell you the pros and cons. The Carbon Pro is harder to install because you have to put a rail into the bed first, and then this connects to that rail. A little bit of work. So if you're doing this yourself, I would put around between 2.5 to 3 hours to install it, especially if it's your first time. So, I mean, for us, we do this all the time. So now this course was the first time doing this setup, but we have done a lot of Carbon Pro beds. All you do is watch the videos and you'll see. As you can see, it's super easy to close. And when you get to the end here, what you want to do is push it down from both sides. This way you get a nice close here. And as you can see, it is low profile. It's down here nice and tight. Now, is it going to be 100% waterproof? No, it's not a submarine. But they do a lot to make this as water resistant as possible. Again, if we install it for you, besides doubling the warranty, we put a 1-year labor guarantee on what we have done, which covers everything we've done today. Of course, so you got 10 year on parts, 1 year on labor, so it's really good. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Autoaccessories, and this is the Bak Revolver X4s on the GMC Denali with the Carbon Pro bed. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, check out our other channels. We're on TikTok, Instagram, we're on X, Facebook, so go check them all out. Sometimes there's actually different videos on the other channels because of time. Also, I want to mention, which I have mentioned before, if you're a first responder, if you're law enforcement, firefighter, you know, things of that nature, military, we do have promotions for any of those. So when you come to the store, mention to John or whoever else is helping you about those promotions. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Autoaccessories, and this was a review of the Revolver X4s. Thank you.